Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to use Guidde AI without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Guidde AI free plan and what features you can access in 2026. First, visit the Guidde website and create a free account using your Google account or email address. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can start creating guides right away. Next, install the Guidde browser extension. This extension allows Guidde to capture your workflow and automatically generate step-by-step tutorials. After installing the extension, open the website or application you want to demonstrate. Click the Guidde extension and start a new capture. Enter a title for your guide and begin recording. As you complete your workflow, Guidde automatically captures screenshots and tracks your actions. Once you're finished, stop the recording and let the AI process your guide. To get the most value from the free plan, focus on creating
Creating
concise tutorials and organizing your guides properly inside your dashboard. This helps you manage your content more efficiently as your library grows. If you're just getting started with tutorial
and ensure your
creation,
videos
the free
reflect.
plan is a great way to learn the platform and test its AI-powered features before deciding whether you need a paid plan. And that's how to use the Guidde AI free plan in 2026. It's an easy way to create professional tutorials and documentation without spending any money up front. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.